Meter Plus. If you love cooking meat, you need the Meter Plus. This smart meat thermometer lets you monitor your meat from your phone using Bluetooth. The meat probe has 2 sensors to detect internal and external temperatures, perfect for indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're grilling or barbecuing, ensure your meat is cooked to perfection. Available on Amazon for $100. SZELAM LED electric alarm clock. Elevate your nightstand with the SZELAM LED electric alarm clock. This LED clock not only lets you check the time and set alarms, but also allows you to charge your phone and do your makeup with ease. It's simple, easy to read, and dimmable for your comfort. Available on Amazon for just $24. Cooluli Skincare Mini Fridge. The Cooluli Skincare Mini Fridge is perfect for storing beauty products or small snacks. This game-changing mini fridge is a delightful treat for skincare enthusiasts who want to keep their products cool and refreshing. Get yours on Amazon for just $50. Spinn Coffee Maker and Milk Frother Bundle. Start your morning right with the Spinn Coffee Maker and Milk Frother Bundle. Controlled by an app, this versatile machine can make espressos, bold filter coffees, cold brews, and more. It's perfect for frequent coffee drinkers who work from home and want to enjoy high-quality coffee effortlessly. Find it on Amazon for $899. Helios Touch. Light up your space creatively with Helios Touch. This modular sensitive lighting system features magnetic tiles for customizable shapes of light. Choose between warm white and cool white options to suit your mood and space. Transform your room's ambiance with Helios Touch. OGHom Handheld Garment Steamer. Ditch the iron and upgrade to the OGHom Handheld Garment Steamer. Get your clothes wrinkle-free quickly and easily without the risk of burning fabric. It heats up fast and is a must-have for a sharp-looking wardrobe. Available on Amazon for $30. Blink Home Security Camera. Keep your home safe with the Blink Home Security Camera. Monitor your space day or night with this mini camera and even communicate through its app. It's an affordable and effective solution for home security. Available on Amazon for $35. Lolipop Baby Camera with true crying detection parents. Meet the Lolipop Baby Camera. This high-tech gadget lets you monitor your baby with a connected app, providing you peace of mind. The camera plays lullabies and tracks your baby's crying patterns. It's perfect for busy parents who want to understand their baby's sleep better. DBPOWER Native 1080 P Wi-Fi Projector. Take movie nights to the next level with the DBPOWER Native 1080p Wi-Fi projector. Connect it to your phone or computer for an epic indoor or outdoor viewing experience. Get ready for bright, clear images and unforgettable movie nights. Available on Amazon for $290. SANDMARK RingLight for iPhone. Level up your content creation with the SANDMARK RingLight for iPhone. This wireless, travel-friendly ring light provides even illumination for professional-looking photos and videos. Compatible with SANDMARK tripods, it's a versatile tool for any creator. Roli Songmaker Kit. If you're a music lover or hobby musician, the Roli Songmaker Kit is perfect for you. This kit comes with a C-board, a light pad, and a loop block, allowing you to create sounds from any instrument and customize your music. The smart board connects to your smartphone or laptop, and the pressure-sensitive keys enable you to create various sounds not possible with a typical MIDI controller. Experience the ultimate music creation tool. Govee Smart Air Quality Monitor. Keep your indoor air quality in check with the Govee Smart Air Quality Monitor and Sensor. It monitors temperature, humidity, PM2, 5, and more, and lets you set your target air quality levels. This device works with Govee Smart appliances to make your home even smarter. Monitor your indoor air stats from your smartphone and make changes in real time. Available on Amazon. Dyson Hot+cool Heater. Purify the air in your home and control your room's temperature with the Dyson Hot+cool Heater. This versatile gadget heats, cools, and purifies the air, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment. Its powerful fan can cool down a room quickly, while the heater lets you personalize the temperature. Invest in this must-have for any space. Available on Amazon for $499. Sunset Projection Lamp. Set the mood with the Sunset Projection Lamp. This unique lamp lets you adjust the size and shape of the projected light, creating a cozy atmosphere in any room. Place it in your bedroom for a relaxing, warm glow. Available on Amazon for just $17. Ecolution Micro Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper. Make popcorn easily and healthily with the Ecolution Micro Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper. Just add kernels and let the microwave do the rest. This gadget provides you with perfectly popped corn in no time. Available on Amazon for $9. Nintendo Switch with Greyjoy Con. Take your gaming experience on the go with the Nintendo Switch. This versatile console lets you play games anywhere, whether you're at home or traveling. Connect it to your TV for a classic gaming experience or use it on the move. Available on Amazon for $307. Mempidont Portable Heat Vacuum Sealer. Keep your food fresh with the Mempidont Portable Heat Vacuum Sealers. Say goodbye to chip clips and seal your food in plastic bags to keep it fresh. This battery-operated gadget is perfect for your kitchen and helps you avoid food waste. Available on Amazon for just $14. Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook. Stay eco-friendly with the Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook. This notebook has 36 pages that you can wipe clean with a damp cloth, making it reusable. Export your notes to Slack, email, Google Drive, or other platforms with ease. Available on Amazon for just $17. Anker Nebula. Capsule 3. Enjoy your movie content on the go with the Anker Nebula. Capsule 3 Laser Portable Projector. This tiny projector uses laser technology for 300 ISO lumens in 1080p HD. The compact design makes it easy to carry, and you can watch a full movie on a single charge. It's also compatible with Google Assistant and Chromecast. Experience the future of portable projectors for just $799.99 on Amazon. Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores. Make or indulge in delicious s'mores at home with the Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. No fire pit required. Just gather your favorite s'mores ingredients and enjoy this fun, cozy experience. Perfect for family gatherings or a winter treat. Available on Amazon for $53. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Make breakfast easy with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It fits up to 6 eggs, allowing you to feed yourself and your family fresh eggs in the morning. This quick and efficient device cooks your eggs just the way you like them. Available on Amazon for $27.
Steel Series Arctis Nova 4. Customize your sound experience with the Steel Series Arctis Nova 4 wireless AI multi-platform headset, offering unparalleled audio quality with high-fidelity drivers and a pro-grade parametric EQ. This headset takes your gaming experience to the next level. Communicate clearly with the AI-powered noise-canceling mic. Enjoy fast charge capability and experience low-latency gaming with Quantum 2.0 wireless technology. Elevate your gaming with this advanced headset. LG OLED AI TV. Enhance your home with the elegant design of the LG OLED Object Collection Pose Luxury AI TV. This television offers rounded edges, calming textiles, and an expansive 7.6-inch main screen for an immersive viewing experience. Keep your space looking sleek with its neutral design and built-in media shelf for books, magazines, and more. The cable and accessory organizer ensures your space stays tidy, hiding cords behind the clean cover. Enjoy the ultimate luxury with LG OLED's beautiful display and versatile features. Asus Zenfone 10. Experience the power of a compact AI smartphone with the Asus Zenfone 10. Boasting a sleek design and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, it offers impressive multitasking abilities and gaming performance. The enhanced camera system captures gorgeous photos and videos, even in low light conditions. With advanced AI features, the ZenFone 10 enhances your smartphone experience in every aspect.